Hi guys, Russell here from homebrewrepublic.co.nz. Welcome to a 2-minute brew review for the Black Rock Crafted Golden Ale. We're going to check out the kit, we'll check out the finished product and any optional ingredients you can use to get this brew fermenting. Let's get into it. Here's what the box tells us about the Black Rock Crafted Golden Ale. Our target ABV is 5.3%, so we've got a little bit of a kick to this brew. Our IBU, which is our bitterness rating, is 10, which is a really low level of bitterness, which means we're going to get a very easy-going, easy to drink brew that really brings out a sweet malt character. And our SRM is 5, which is our colour rating, again really low, so we're going to get a really pale golden colour for this brew. The Crafted Golden Ale is from Black Rock's bag and box range, and there's a couple of unique features. Black Rock have told us this is the exact same product sold to professional microbreweries, repackaged for the consumer market, which means we're bringing the same product the professionals use into our home brewing. As I mentioned, this is also part of the bag and box range, which means there's one simple bag inside this kit, which simplifies the process and the time required to get this brew on and helps ensure that it's easier to get a great finished product. Let's check that out. This is the finished product right here. Check that out. We have that really nice pale light gold color, a really crisp pure white head. It looks awesome. In terms of aroma, we really pick up that sweet malt character with soft undertones of citrus and fruit, which is pretty much our flavour profile. Like we said, really low level of bitterness, which really brings out that sweet malt character, and very subtle, soft citrus and fruit undertones. It's a great, easy to drink, refreshing brew. The kit comes with a quality craft yeast, the Safe Ale US05s. It's one of my personal favourites. It has an ideal fermentation temperature range of 18 through to about 24 degrees, which means it's going to be really well suited to ambient brewing in most parts of New Zealand. One of the many great things about these kits is there are no additional fermentable ingredients required. Everything you need is inside the simple, easy to use bag contained in the box. What Black Rock have told us is if you use the kit by itself, you can expect a finish similar to a commercial style brew, which we completely agree with. If you prefer a craft style brew, the only additional ingredient you'll want to consider is hops for dry hopping. We've done this brew with the Galaxy dry hop, which had a citrus and a fruit finish to it, and we thought it was really awesome. In general, anything with a citrus or a fruit profile like Cascade, Motueka or Pacifica will be really well suited to this brew. All that said guys, the Black Rock Crafted Golden Ale from the bag and box range is an all-round exceptional brew that we've really enjoyed, and we hope you do too. Cheers!
Cheers!